Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be talking about editorial makeup, or in other words, makeup that has been created in order to be printed on newspapers, fashion magazines, fashion photography, CD covers, etc. The characteristics of editorial makeup is that usually it's not made to be worn every day. Usually there's pop-up colors, intense and creative looks, and also the skin is always very flawless. Everything is very precise and clean, and most of the times is for photo shootings that they're from the shoulders and up. There are too many ideas online for editorial looks, but today I got inspired from these two. I wanted to create something smooth and give some more emphasis in the areas around the eyes and on the cheekbones. So this is what I'm gonna be doing today. First of all, I'm gonna hydrate my skin. I love to use this primer from MAC Cosmetics, the Strobe cream, and I think it's a perfect base for an editorial makeup as it leaves a flawless result. After, I'm passing some concealer and foundation to smooth out the skin. Very important for this type of look is to powder nice your face. Otherwise, the powder products that I'm about to use just after will really stick on my skin, and I don't want this. I'm gonna be using this palette from Urban Decay, and I'm gonna be taking the pink color. This is the color actually that I will use on the eyelids and on the cheekbones. And I apply it in the areas that I already powdered. I try to add some more in the center and in the areas that I think that I need some more intensifying of the shade. After, I will take with the tip of my fingers a little bit of gloss, and I will apply it on the center of the area that I applied the pink color. And I will take some highlighter to add in the areas that was the gloss. I apply some mascara. The powder under the eyes will also help with the mascara, so that my eyelashes will not touch my skin and the mascara will not go all over the place. I will use a red lipstick from MAC, and I like to warm it on my hand. Like this it becomes more creamy and it's easier to be applied on my lips. And with a small brush I will apply some gloss on the top to give this glam result. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's actually a really easy editorial makeup. You can try it also in yourself. So I hope to see you back soon on my channel, and I wish you have a perfect day. Bye bye.